Alright guys, welcome back to another special drawing tutorial. Today, we're gonna show you how to really quickly draw a portrait of your favorite movie stars. Okay? My favorite movie stars is Mel Gibson's. Give me the freedom! You know? What's the other one? Yippee-ki-yay, bastardo. Yeah, that's him. Okay, so Mel Gibson's. What does he look like? So, he's got a face just like everyone else, yeah, but it's a longer, wider face than most humans. So first you draw the top of the head, down the side, and he's got a long chin. Okay, you can see I tried to draw him earlier. This is his chin, and then his neck goes out to the side more than a normal person's. He's got a thick, big neck. All right, and so ears, they start about halfway down the face, just below the eyes. Okay, the ears are shaped like a loaf of bread, or if you have bigger ears like Mel Gibson, they're shaped more like a pancake or something like this. His eyes, they start 1/3 from the top of the head to go down here, and then the same distance again for the nose. So we do one eye like this, and put a pupil in the middle, and a second one like this, not the same size. Okay, you gotta make the eyes different size or it's not realistic. Make sure you do an eyelid on the bottom on the right eye, top on the left eye. Okay, don't do it the other way around. For his nose, we start down here, make it go over here, and then on the other side, make the nostril a little bit higher. You gotta get a realistic proportion, okay, or else it doesn't look like the movie star. Then for the mouth, you can just draw a circle. It's the easiest way. And then put the tooths in one at a time. Preferably you do the top teeth, and then you can do the bottom ones a little bit smaller, and they get smaller and smaller and smaller the further away they get from the middle. Okay, this is called perspective. Okay, now with the neck, there are muscles you need to think about. Okay, so the chin will finish at the mouth. Then there's a muscle, the sternocleidomastoid, which is like a V shape. Alright, so it goes down like this. Yeah, right there. And there's a circle at the bottom for where it meets the clavicles. Very important to draw this in. In the middle, he has an Adam's apple, so just draw a triangle there. And make sure the neck goes all the way down to the bottom of the page. Okay, make it as long as possible. For his hair, it depends how old he is. So in this photo, he's a little bit older. He's probably 40, 35, 40, something like this. So we give him a little bit less hair, okay? So just make a little bit on top and then a little bit on the side. Just on the one side too, because with older men, the hair doesn't grow on the left side of the head. So it's only on the right, remember that. Some hair coming out of the ears, and out of the nose, out of the tops of the eyes. This eye hair. Yeah, now it's looking like Mel Gibson's, right? So a little bits of hairs on the chin, and then let's make him look more like your favorite characters, the William Wallaces. Okay, he has blue makeups that goes across his face, and that's what makes him a Scotland's warrior. It's blues, because all Scottish people wear blue, and what the blue means is freedom, right? There we go. So it's a pretty good portrait of Mel Gibson's. If I'm gonna sign this one, Alejandro Figueres 2020. If you wanna buy this, you can buy it from me. Okay, it's gonna cost probably around 6,000 to maybe 85,423. Listen, get out of my life. Yeah.